Hello, I am Yubirkov, and our task for today to create a supplier or vendors and customer or client in Xero program. Let's start. Now we watch a dashboard of Xero program, but we need to create a supplier and customer. Let's click contacts. All contacts. I need to talk you about feature of Xero. We can't create separate supplier and customer. We create just one card of contact, and Xero program will decide based on the type transaction. In this transaction, your contact customer or supplier, and we will create in program just one card contact. Let's click new contact. Now I will show you our contact detail card, and from this card we will copy information, fill in the name of company, email, website, phone number, create address, click enter address, USA, country, zip code, state, city, address, click at address, scroll down and we can see field for financial details, and scroll down else. We can watch fields for accounting setting, sales, and for accounting sales for purchase. And we can don't change setting. We can use default setting. Save and close. Now we inside of the contact detail. Click contact back. Now I want to show you we have two contacts with same contact detail. And now I want to clean up our contact list and merge together these two contacts. I click one contact, click merge button, and start search second contact. Click merge, confirm merge, and now I have just one contact with this name. Maybe I want to clean up our contact list. I choose 3 contacts and click archive. Yes, I confirm. And I can find my contacts in this tab, archived. Now I will open contact card of 24 logs. Click restore. Click contacts back, and now I can find contact 24 logs in all contacts list again. I congratulate you, we create new contact in Xero program. Well done, good job, good luck, bye bye.